before we finish giving these things a bit of a clean up. Came up pretty good. You see that most of the rust is pretty well gone. This was pretty bad. It was really caked on the steel. Not really bad, that one, but you'd see all the rust is just eating into it. You just stripped all the chroming off it. So that'll probably be a softer steel to get the edge back on your blade or your knife. That one will be a bit softer now. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's just starting to rain here finally. Hopefully we get a bit today. See if those that dam sealant shit's working or not. You can actually see the brand on it. Yeah. Mundial, made in Brazil. This one was pretty badly rusted right around the hilt, this section. It was pretty bad. These spans were terrible, like they're pretty bad pitting all iron, so I don't know what was what had leaked on it, or what it sat in, or how long it sat in something for, but the pitting's pretty bad. It's the same thing, like the rust has just stripped all the bloody chroming off. But I'll probably just, I think I've already got some of these sizes, so I'll whether to maybe throw them in the mower box, just as spares or something. Because I've got a heap of JBS tools. I work for a company that wouldn't pay out, you wouldn't get overtime. So they give you days and time in lieu, but you're never allowed to use it, so but we could buy, they had accounts around town, so you could buy like tools and tyres for vehicles and stuff like that. So I just used to spend my money, my time in lieu on tools, JBS, Blue Point, that sort of stuff you snap on. You can see them up there, like they're really bad, they're pitted. You can see it there. I usually wash it with the CLR, like soak it for a few days and scrub it on and off. And I'll let these air dry for a few hours because the CLR sort of etches the steel, the remaining rust, and it sort of black, it turns it into like a black, what do you call it, anodizing kind of colour. Yeah, so nice and clean as you're going to get. I'll let them bake for a few hours and that'll sort of etch black. Don't know about this steel, I think like the end's alright, but it's pretty badly damaged. I mean, it's had rust on it for a long time. Yeah. This is just that CLR stuff I was talking about. It's just like I don't know, it smells like battery acid. It's good for cleaning rust and stuff like that. You can dilute it however you want. And then what I usually do is I use this stuff, Penetrene. The light's flickering. It's just like a metal protectant. Just use that to help prevent rust, and it just sort of seals when this etches that rust out and you've got the rust down, it's all pitted and that. This will just help seal it. You just give it a wipe, a few days, give it a wipe, and then but I usually give it a wipe, sit it out in the hot sun, let it bake for a few hours, and do that a few times for maybe a week. And it just helps seal it, keep the rust at bay. So it's just giving all this stuff a bit of a hit with the bronze wire brush. You really see the pitting there. I don't know what that sat in or something dripped on them or something, but it's just completely stripped the chrome off it. And it's sort of all like that. Some of it's pretty deep too. Yeah, I was just about to just give him a spray. Same thing as Penetrene, but in a spray bottle. Just give him all a bit of a soak. See how it starts sort of anodizing, I guess, changing the colour. It's not proper anodizer, that's what I call it anyway. Just let that soak, and yeah, even the steels, they turned out alright. This one's probably the better of the two. Yeah, the other one's not that great. Just too badly pitted everywhere, just can't get it out. I'll find a use for it though.